Hello and welcome. How to record death metal guitar coming out of an amp, distorted sound, and into BandLab. First, let me show you what you're going to need. Here I have audio interface. It's a Zoom AMS24. You're going to need a USB-C cable. I'm using the Shure SM57 to mic up to the amp. XLR cable, which is going to go right into the audio interface. And you're also going to need an adapter. This adapter is USB-C, and you're going to use it at the other end of the cable, and this is what's going to bring the sound from here into your phone, and then we're going to capture it on BandLab. All right, so let's get started. Quick note that this device uses AA batteries. I already have batteries, but if you didn't have batteries, then you will have to connect a power source, but that's it. All right, let's get to it. So now we're ready to start recording our guitar from the amp into BandLab, and let me show you what that looks like. Here's my full setup right now. So the guitar is plugged in right now. I have headphones in to monitor the sound. The guitar is running into my pedal rig right there, and that is coming out into the amp right there, which is the Marshall amp. That's what I'm using. And then there is the microphone. It's going right up against the speaker. That's the Shure SM57, not too close, just a little bit far off there. And then that's going into the Zoom audio interface right there. Okay, so it's being fed right through this input here. And then from here, it goes out to the phone, to BandLab, and we're gonna record and make sure the signal's not clipping. So we have that right there. You can hear me talking, see how it's doing that, and you can just adjust all this to make sure you're not clipping. But let's launch BandLab. Hit the plus sign, and since we're just recording the mic, picking that up, we're just going to hit voice and audio. So now that we're in BandLab, we're ready to record our first track. So let's just hit the record button, and we'll start playing a riff. All right, now that we successfully recorded our first track, all you want to do is hit that little arrow up there to save it. I already saved my project, and it'll be saved to your BandLab on your phone. And then you can go in there and further mess with it. You can do some EQing, some mastering if you like. But that's how you record death metal guitars via BandLab. Pretty simple, actually, once you have everything set up. All right, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll keep working with this and maybe do 2 guitar tracks. But hey, check out some of my other videos. I appreciate it. Bye.